see different. The art is different for you.
So, hello.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
Pretty happy.
Okay. Can you please tell us more about Plaud? What is it? And
Sure. So the brand name is Plaud.AI. Well, we have introduced the world's first ChatGPT-powered AI voice recorder named Plaud, right? So with Plaud, what happens is you can easily record a conversation with the device, and then you can sync the file to the app, and then get it transcribed into the time-coded text, and then you get to have the currently GPT-4o to summarize the conversation for you with all the bullet points, the action list, and also even the mind maps. It could be really helpful for like business people or professors, doctors, lawyers, consultants, etc.
and how the story started? How did you come up with the Plaud? What was the...
Well, actually, the startup was created 2 years ago. Back then, ChatGPT wasn't even introduced. But I always had this passion to find the optimized way to solve the world's problems, to help people get easier with their lives. So I was thinking, like, how can we maybe collect people's conversation, get it transcribed, and maybe somehow summarize the information to help people remember the important stuff, and then they get to to be more efficient. But well, it was difficult before ChatGPT, but when ChatGPT was used, we instantly realized it would be a game changer for this product, right? Because large language models essentially can retrieve the most valuable information, the bullet points, from a conversation. And for now, we are even developing the AI agents to make it even more powerful, more automated.
It's really interesting. How do you leverage the AI? Because then it gives you the notes, for example, from the meeting. It gives you the summary, etc., or even like some notes. So that because we saw an application how the software looks like of this on Wednesday,
Yeah.
and it's really interesting that you can really like choose what are you going to do if you are going to, for example, record meeting notes or the classroom,
Yeah.
or what is it about? Do you maybe have the software with you somewhere to show us?
Sure, yeah. So we have the devices. These are really slim. Let me take one out, for example. It's really slim, and it weighs only 30 grams. But we have so many components all integrated in this small device. We have the microphones, we have the battery, the memory card, all placed inside of the device. So what we usually do is we can easily record the conversation with just a press of the button. So we call it like one press record. So you long press the button, now it starts recording when the light is red, right? And after that, when the recording is done, you can open up the app. Well, for example, you have the app where you get to have all the recorded files synced to this smartphone's app. And after the recording is done, you get to have the conversation, uploaded to the cloud and get transcribed through OpenAI's Whisper model. And after this process, we will be utilizing the GPT-4o to get it summarized with all the bullet points and like a well-structured key data points. Yeah.
So you are really updating based on the ChatGPT. So when ChatGPT is introducing new model, you are immediately introducing it also to your software.
Yeah, I mean, we are developing the most innovative AI applications, and currently we are deploying the GPT-4 because it's the most advanced. But as I'm in Paris, I heard from a few friends where like Mistral in France may be the best for French. So we are considering integrating with more models, right? Essentially, we're going to work with the world's best models for the best languages for different people. That's the point.
And where are you based?
So now we have two major locations. One is in San Francisco, where we are developing the cloud services, the AI developments. Another is in Shenzhen, where we are working with the mass production, the hardware design, and things like that.
Interesting. Would you like to mention something else about the Plaud that we didn't maybe mention or I didn't ask the right question?
Well, to be honest, like we are actually here for a new product release. For somebody gets a little bit delayed, but we'll be releasing a wearable AI device in 2 months. And you know, eventually we're going to have a Plaud family. This is Plaud Notes, but eventually we're going to have a Plaud family where we have different devices to help people collect data from real life. So now we only have audio data. You could see like the powerfulness of GPT-4o, where visual gets also to be very helpful. So we're adding maybe cameras to the new devices, things like that.
Nice. And you said that it will be wearable, so like people will have it as a band on their.
Exactly.
Okay.
But well, it will be more than that.
All right.
Yeah, we call this device the AI native hardware.
And it was already released, or you are about to release it in
2 months.
in 2 months? All right. So we can wait for really big things from the Plaud.
Sure, I hope to talk to you after it is introduced.
Nice.
How does the subscription model work for the Plaud?
Well,
It says like 3 months free membership, but like what do you get afterwards?
Simple story is going to be free. From next Monday, you get to hear it the first. We have a pricing change recently because, let's say, like GPT-4o is cutting its price by half. So we have the cost down, and then we are willing to, transfer this benefit to the users that we have, and also to make it more affordable to users globally. So for now, it's usually like 600 minutes per month for 3 months for free. But from next Monday, we'll be making it free for 300 minutes, but it will last for quite a long time until we may say like as long as we are able to afford it. Yeah, because we are having the actual cost when we acquire the APIs from OpenAI.
Wow, that's really amazing.
It is.
Wow, okay. Are you interested, Marie, in the Plaud?
Yes, I have actually last question, and it's can I buy it here in the stand?
Well, yeah, you can buy it here, but I would invite more journalists and users from different backgrounds to try out these products. It's really helpful.
All right, wonderful. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
And yes, see you around.